If you have been fighting against the scale for a while and still don't see any signs of success, check out this soup recipe that can help you on this mission. Having a slim waist isn't very easy, and keeping it that way is especially hard. We need a balanced diet and to keep ourselves always active. For now, there isn't a diet exclusively for weight loss. However, this soup can help you accelerate the process. This soup helps improve intestinal transit because it is rich in fiber and reduces fluid retention thanks to its high potassium levels. And because it has very few calories, around 49 calories in a 12-ounce serving. It also boosts weight loss. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. The calorie restriction and the vitamins and minerals make this soup an excellent option for weight loss without nutritional deficiencies that put your health at risk and cause anemia or weakness, for example. Write down the ingredients. 18 ounces cabbage, 5 ounces bell pepper, 10 ounces leek, 1.5 ounces parsley, 14 ounces zucchini, 5 ounces carrots, 3.5 ounces red onion, 10 ounces choco, 10 ounces tomatoes. How to make it? Slice all ingredients and add them to a pot with 84 ounces of water. Cook for approximately 40 minutes in low heat. During the first 3 days, it's safe to keep your soup in the fridge, but the remaining servings should be frozen and thawed each day of consumption. The soup makes around 10 servings. Eating this soup for 7 days as a replacement for your dinner is a smart and healthy way to lose and maintain weight if you repeat the process once a month. Incredible, isn't it? Try it and share your opinion with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.